Taryl Dactal here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix stripped out holes in plastic, like on this chainsaw. I'm going to show you how to fix these holes. And you know how we're going to do that? With a Heli-Coil. And I know what you're thinking, Heli-Coil's for steel, Taryl. It's not for plastic. Well, it works on plastic too. So on these, since they use these big plastic screws, we're going to use a number 6 metric by 1.0 Heli-Coil kit. Now on this particular application, you got to be careful because these holes go into the fuel tank. So when you go to drill it, if you drill too deep, you'll drill right into the fuel tank. The ones on the bottom, you can go through. Now I know another thing you're saying, why don't you just use a bigger screw? Well, you can do that too if you want to use a bigger screw, if you can find one. But I'm going to use Heli-Coils. So you may have to open this hole up to get these to go in there. Now for this M6, you use a 1/4 inch drill bit. And again, you got to be careful so you don't drill into the tank. So you only want to go down till it stops. It's going to want to pull it in there. You could always gauge it with something so you don't drill too deep. And blow it out. I have to put my glasses on. Get out the tap. Let me get my tap socket. Now I did a repair on a Stihl chainsaw for the oiler, and I ended up tapping that too, but I just tapped that 1/4 20 and put a set screw in there. So you can tap the plastic, but I'm doing it by hand because it's soft. Again, we're going to blow that out. And get our insert. And this particular tool is made by Heli-Coil, in case you're looking for it. They're pretty reasonably priced. So take the insert and thread it onto the tool. Then insert it into the tool. And you have to screw it in. And then I like to get one thread out so you can start it. Now you can see we got a few threads left. All right, there's your dinner. One other thing, don't forget to break the little tab off the bottom of the Heli-Coil, which you do by a little pick tool or a little screwdriver. They even make a little tool for breaking it off. So we got our handle back on. Now let's put in our screws. Look at that, we can tighten them down. Look, they're nice and tight. Not stripped out anymore. There's your dinner. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. Go to our web store, buy some Taryl apparel, support the channel. Follow me with your stripped out screws and your plastic on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Fix those stripped out holes in the plastic, just like new again. Woo!